What's up guys? I thought I'd use the GoPro today. A bit of vlogging on the GoPro. I'm a bit behind everyone, but this is the 6th. Nab's looking clean today.
Did you get it? You got one. That's impressive.
You just love working on your weekend.
Love working in general, non-stop, day in, day out working.
It's a natural environment, really.
Look ready for a snooze. What?
Oh, the lawn grubs. Get 'em, Macca. It's a constant battle, eh? I told you they do. And they come all the way down. This is what we do about lawn bugs.
Not over that, Giddy.
Is that one?
It was bloody spider.
Any more?
What year and model and make is this thing?
1050 panel truck, Chev 3100. It's got the V8 upgrade, got the disc brake front end put in it, that's the old one.
Disc brakes. If anyone can run short, it is you. Short pan. What did we do the other day? Ball joints.
Pushing the cripple.
How's your back, mate?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Have you finished cleaning yet, mate?
Cleaning.
Since last time we went full driving.
Well, apparently not, because when they serviced it, they found the intercooler was caked in mud, so they had to clean all that off.
So, long story short, it's just not worth going full driving in the mud.
On and done it again, haven't ya?
This is really the definition of Jamin. Just waiting for his mate. You have to make it as doesn't even know how to full drive, it's so automatic, this thing. Yeah, actually, can you, in less than one sentence, explain to me how to full drive, like an expert?
100%. Turn the key on ignition. Keep the steering wheel dead straight. I think you have to have it in neutral. Turn this knob and you're an expert. Expert.
Oh, there's one more button though.
No, that's extreme.
That's extreme.
Yeah, that's extreme.
There's the diff lock button somewhere.
Oh, I didn't know about that one. That one.
Diff lock. He's gonna drive out of here and blow his diff to pieces.
No, a diff lock's over here.
Yeah, I think you hold it forever.
Yeah, rear locker and then I think you have to click this 6 times to activate NOS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E for activated.
What else did you start? Did you hit that diff lock switch?
He hit a lot of buttons.
I guess we'll find out.
I put a kid's whistle in your exhaust.
Very mesmerising whistle.
Hear that?
Cool. Sounds like I've got a turbo now.
We've decided to take a majestic walk to the beach just to check it out. What a place to live, look at this. Yes, James got a very bad back at the moment, which is concerning because in 10 days we are on an aeroplane for a very long time. We are all going to be in Mexico. What a jolly time that's going to be.
Screaming on the flight. Temperature just hit f***ing 90.
It's definitely too hot down here. This path starts here and goes south.
How far south?
7 kilometres. I don't know how far it goes.
Quite a distance.
Are you pumped for the wedding?
I am actually really pumped. Besides my back being sore, I'm amped. Are you? How are you? A bit nervous? What are your feelings going into
gotta
30 people plus going overseas just for you and Stevie to get married.
I gotta learn to dance.
Tell me what you got. Yes.
Learn how to walk, how to look good in a suit.
Yep.
I don't know.
So you've got a lot to do.
It's not easy. He was older, you could tell that was his dream toy when he was like...
Yeah, that's you.
When he was 12.
That's you.
And now it's 28.
You like weird shit like
it's
that.
a reality for that bloke.
Yeah.
I'm happy for it.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind what that
Is there a reason you like quirky internet stuff like that?
That's not quirky.
That's quirky.
That particular one is.
Oh, I might have to go to that because now I can't push actually. So it's not very funny
Yeah,
anymore.
we'll just be like, no, he's going. Jamie Roberts, subscriber shout out.